हेलो एवरीवन। तो कल हमने एक सिमेट्री पे क्वेश्चन पूछा था एंड अ लॉट ऑफ यू आंसर्ड इट करेक्टली, कंग्रेचुलेशंस। बट बाकी जिनका आंसर ठीक नहीं था, तो वी आर हेयर टू एक्सप्लेन दैट कंसेप्ट टू यू. So this was the motive that we were talking about, which is marked by a red boundary. So a lot of you answered that this motive has a two-fold symmetry. Now that is incorrect. Why it is incorrect? So let us understand what symmetry is. So symmetry, for example, let us talk about rotational symmetry. So symmetry में क्या होता है? If you have an element of rotation, so when you are done with that element, that means you have done rotating that object by whatever rotational symmetry you are talking about, you should get the initial object back. So the final object after doing the rotation should be exactly the same as the initial object. So let us see. So if you rotate this motif, the red one, by a two-fold rotation, that means you rotate it by 180 degrees, you get this blue motif. Now if you overlap the blue motif and the red motif, you see they are not overlapping. So that means this motif does not have an inherent two-fold symmetry. But if we rotate this red motif by 120 degrees, that means you're doing a three-fold rotation. What you see is that now the final object, that is the blue motif, is exactly overlapping the initial object, that is the red motif. So that means this motif has a inherent three-fold symmetry. So that is how you check for rotational symmetry. You need to have the final object exactly the same as the initial object after the rotational symmetry has been carried out.